Alright everyone, so I'm Professor Collins, and we are going to go over the zip code assignment for the first Excel workshop here. So what I have open now are two of the documents that you have that are named in your Excel assignment in the first workshop. I have the Google zip codes sheet, and each of you have been randomly assigned a zip code, or two zip codes I should say. So Ali, for example, has these two zip codes. I have those two, 98011 and 98119. These are zip codes from, I think, 6 or 7 different cities across Puget Sound. And then on the other side, I have the survey. So you're going to have to fill this out twice. It shouldn't take you more than a few minutes each time. So, excuse me, let's get started here. So what I want to do is I want to open up this, this Google zip code assignment with all the list of names. Find your name. All right, so I actually put myself in here. I'm going to do 2 of these as well. And each of these zip codes is hyperlinked. So what you can do is when you scroll over it, you can either scroll on this and click on that, or if you press Control, oh, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so scroll over this and click on that, and then it'll open up this site. And this is where we're collecting all of our data. So we don't need to go into American Fact Finder or anything like that. What we want to do is we just want to scroll down and go to this place here that says zip code 98011, or whatever your zip code happens to be, and the 2010 census demographics. So I'm gonna hover over this and copy this 98011. Then I'm gonna go over to the zip code data, right? And so I'm gonna find my name. So here we go. So I get credit for doing this. My zip code is 98011, or you can type it in 98011. And what city is the zip code? So this happens to be in Bothell. All right. So you don't want to call Bothell Inglewood or Queensgate. I'd be interested to know what the locals say about that. So we got Bothell. Geographically, would you consider this city to be in the east side, Seattle, North Lake, south side, other? I'd say North Lake. What is the 2010 population? So what I'm going to do is look at 2010 population here, and what I have is 29,212. Be sure to enter real numbers. It will not allow you to enter anything else. How many households? Households per zip is this line here. So 11,905. What is the average household value? $421,600. 421,600. What is the average income per household? That's going to be right here. 68,490. Excuse me, 86,490. What is the number of persons per household? 2.43, right? So 2.43. Which racial group is the most populous? Fortunately, it's Puget Sound, so it's probably, most of the zip codes are probably going to be white, but who knows? We'll see. So looks like the white population is the most populous. So I'm going to say white here. Which group is the most populous, male or female, right? And so we have just about 1,000 more women than we do men. So we're going to go female. And what is the median age? Median age is 37 years, 37.5 years. So I'm going to put in 37.5, and then I'm going to submit that. And that's it. And then you can submit another response, right? So once you do the first one, you can go over to the second one and do the same thing and scroll down, get all that data. So my next one is Seattle. And so I'll submit another response. I'll go through that process again, and you are good to go. So I will use this as a guide. If you have any questions, please email.